Just put it on, I shall fall off. Then you buy milk tea from the outside girl. For milk tea, matcha chocolate, red velvet and cookies and cream. Let's go. Let's go.
Sarap pala ng milk tea, ate.
Masarap naman talaga, bunso.
Ngayon pa lang kasi ako nakakatikim, ate.
Kaya naman pala masaya ka kanina kasi